Fruity Friends. This is a lovely new range of fabrics from Makawa, and I'm going to share with you today how to turn the panel of pretty pictures, Fruity Friends pictures, into quilted cushions. These have been designed and made by Lynn Goldsworthy, but I'm going to share with you a couple of the techniques because I think they're quite interesting. 4 cushions that Lynn's made. You can see we've got a picture panel and some piecing, simple piecing beside them. So that's one. We've got the flamingo, and we've got the pineapple, and we've got the jazzy cactus. I've quilted mine only in one direction, partly because I was running out of time, and also because I think it just gives you a contrast. You can say, oh, I don't like that, I don't think it's finished, or you can say, yes, I love that, that's enough quilting for me. So as a tutor, I just like to show you the options.